Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you these little tiny baby dolls. There's 6 of these that go inside this box. This is how they come. So they come in this box of 6 in this one box. So you can give them 6 gifts, or you can give them one gift with 6 dolls in them. So each one of them are individually wrapped, just like you see here. And the detail and their faces are absolutely beautiful. This is for age 3+, just to be clear and just the way you know. Clear and transparent. Also, I did purchase these myself. These were not given to me, so I'm just giving you a fair and a very clear and transparent review. So I purchased these myself. I just wanted to show you how absolutely lifelike they look. You can see their faces absolutely adorable, the little eyelashes, the little lips, and they come in little. This is a sleepwear collection. This is with this little sleepwear collection. These are 4 inches tall. Each one of these comes in its own box. Well, I think that's really, really cute. So you can give them as 6 individual gifts if you want to, or you can give as one gift because they all nest inside this one box, as you can see here. So let's just go over these one at a time. I want to show you each one of them, then I'm going to put them into the box. So this is the one with the blue. And here is the face, so you can see right there, absolutely adorable. You can see the little outfit, see the little feet inside there, the little hands, absolutely adorable. This is a little purple, like a bunny outfit. It looks like a little bunny. See the ears, see the feet again, really adorable. Look at the eyes, look at the detail in the face, absolutely gorgeous. And here is the one with like a yellow. Right here, we can see the face again. See inside, they look a little bathrobe with the sleepwear. They're all resting inside. Again, 3+. Okay, just so you know, that's really important to know that. Here's one with a little green on, a little green outfit, little green sleeper. You can see the hands, and they're all resting inside the little box. You can see the face, the detail, absolutely fantastic. But that in here. Here's the one with the little pink, light pink. You can see how light the pink is, and the little bathrobe with the white little bathrobe, the wrap around right there. And this is the white. And there's the white right there. So this is how they come when you get them like this in this nice collection you can see. And in the back is where there's different collections you can also look at. So definitely 6 pieces. I recommend this. These are absolutely adorable. Kids are going to love these 100%. So go ahead. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to follow the channel for more. This is the type of reviews that we do, all types of reviews to help you make decisions. So when you see something online, you know what they look like. I'm giving you my opinion. This is totally my opinion and just my thoughts, 100%. Again, this was not given to me. I purchased this myself, just so you know. All right, guys, that's what I have. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to follow for more. Thanks for watching.